Hi, today in this video I'm sharing kitchen cabinet colors ideas with you people. Kitchen cabinets are the different colors I'm sharing with you, color schemes I'm sharing here in this video with you, because these color schemes, they give a very different look to the kitchen. So you could see there are different designs of the kitchen cabinets as well as the different colors combination is there. So I thought I should share these things with you with the intention that if you are planning to change the color scheme of your kitchen, or if you are planning to make your kitchen so you can have the ideas of designs of these kitchen cabinets from here, and also the idea of like the color combination, which color combination could be added to the kitchen. So these all are very amazing ideas. I've found them. I personally really did like this. You could see every idea is different than other, and every idea is like so beautiful and so unique. The combination is fabulous. The designs of the cabinets, they are amazing. They are really amazing, and each and every picture is giving a different look, a different unique idea. See, somewhere these are blue, light blue and white combination is there, convent color and white combination. It also looks very good if these are adopted, like the a bit dark blue and white, giving beautiful look. So they are. And here is the only simple white. If you, here is only the simple like a greenish type of color is there, gray color is there. So all of them are so amazing that if someone wants to have the idea, so I think this video would be very much helpful. And even if we don't want to adopt them, even then if it is good to look at these, like it, I enjoy watching such pictures, so I hope you people will also enjoy watching them. So thank you.